A very good morning and heartfelt welcome to all the students and participants who have taken the time to sign up for this workshop that aims at providing a 2 days hands-on experience in OpenTect software under the banner of GeoSynergy, which marks the exceptional collaborative efforts of Society of Exploration Geophysicists, student chapters of Dibrugarh University, IIT Kharagpur and University of Delhi. This scholarly event is an attestation of absolute knowledge sharing in the field of geophysics. We at SEG aims to bring geoscientists under a common platform and to promote the science of geophysics and its applicability in various earth science disciplines. For today's event, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the SEG community at IIT Kharagpur and Dibrugarh University who have been putting consistent efforts to make the necessary arrangements for this event. To assist and guide us through the workshop, we have with us Mr. Pavel Karmanov, who is Senior Researcher Fellow at Department of Geology and Geophysics at IIT Kharagpur. He graduated from Transpikal State University in Chita City, Russia, with a dual B.Tech M.Tech degree specializing in geophysical methods in exploration of mineral deposits in the year 2018. He has completed his M.Tech in Exploration Geosciences at IIT Kharagpur in 2020 and is pursuing his PhD since 2020 in the same institute. He has also interned at PSUs like ONGC, where he has gained a lot of important skill sets as a geoscientist. We appreciate him taking out time from his busy schedule and grace this event by imparting his knowledge and experience. Well, before that, kindly note we will be sending certificates on the basis of attendance on the both days. We will share a form link on the chat at the end of the workshop on both days. That Google form will be valid for 5 minutes. And dear participants, it is highly recommended for your convenience that you join the Google Meet from two devices. One, from the laptop on which you will be working so that you can share your screen as when required. And second, from other device like your mobile phone so that you can follow the instructor simultaneously with working. The instructor will give sufficient time in between steps for everyone to proceed at the time. So thank you, and without any further ado, I'll like to turn it over to Mr. Pavel to start the proceedings. The stage is all yours.
Today, we will do some work in OpendTect. We will study some basic things, downloading the seismic data, downloading the well data, and also we will try to do simple interactions. We will start with basics. But before we start the actual work, let me please share with you some brief information regarding to seismic and well log data. And basically, it is connected with our work because we will do today we will do a seismic to well type. Okay, let me share my screen and let us start. All right. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. Today we will do one thing: seismic well type in OpenTect software. So tying well data to the seismic enables us to relate the physical properties to the seismic data. So, for example, we received some seismic data, and we can understand is our prediction correct or not by tying it with the well data. And of course, it requires good seismic processing connected with good well ties for better interpretation. And well logs provide us with different measurements of the subsurface that can be used to generate well ties. And what are the examples of well ties? This is the correlating seismic interpretation and well peaks. So, for example, we can ask ourselves the question, what does my reservoir look like in the seismic? Also, it is necessary for understanding the seismic data better. we are asking the question ourselves, what are the phase and polarity of the seismic? Also, it is used for seismic modeling, that what happens in the seismic response if I remove this interval from the seismic. Also, it is used in seismic attribute analysis, properties of the seismic trace. And thus reservoir thickness and quality related to the seismic attributes in my data. Also, by doing well-log data, it is possible to do time-to-depth conversion. For example, what time-to-depth relation should I use? Because initially in the seismic data we receive in the time domain, but while using special data and well-log data, and also by using velocity model, we are able to transfer time data to depth data. And real-time monitoring of drilling, like where should I start to where should we start to coring? So let us go to well logging. Well logging is the collection of information by lowering a series of tools into the well. So basically, we put some kind of devices inside the borehole and measure different properties and collect them in the depth domain. So there are huge varieties of well-log data and types of well log. These are caliper logs. Actually, it is a measurement of diameter of the holes. Areas of large hole size usually indicate washouts that can affect data quality of tools that need to couple the two well bore. Also, there is a measurement of natural radioactivity of the rocks. It is gamma ray logs. With this method, it is possible to distinguish shale and sands. For example, shale, they have high values of this parameter of gamma ray logs, and sands are low. Especially, it is important for defining the direct hydrocarbon indicators. For example, the deposits of oil, gas, etc. So it is very important. Also, we use resistivity logs used to measure its measurement electrical resistivity of the rocks. By such methods, it is possible to distinguish oil, gas, and water. Also, there is a sonic logs. They used to measure the fast sound travels through the rock. We use it for connection logs to seismic data and density logs. Actually, in gamma ray logs, we measure natural radioactivity, but with the density log, we create the radioactive source of cobalt or cesium. We put this source of radioactivity on the borehole and measure the gamma rays, because once the gamma rays interact with dense rocks, and a lot of the energy are scattered, and we have low values of these parameters. By such way, we are able to understand by the response of the gamma rays, we are able to understand is it dense rock or not. So with the density log, the data can study lithology, connect logs and seismic data, and also distinguish the type of the fluid. And if we compare seismic data and well data, so if we are talking about sampling, the seismic data, these are 3D data, modern, and well log data, it is only one direction in 1D data. So if we are talking about frequency spectrum, about the frequency, so seismic data use much lower frequency data, and well log data has much higher frequency. And what about measurements? In seismic data, we measure only a few number of parameters: amplitude, phase, continuity, velocity of the seismic data. But with the well-log data, we can do a lot of measurements, different kind of measurements: radioactivity, resistivity, density, velocity, fluid properties, etc. So we have much more possibilities in such case. Resolution. So as we can see that well-log data has much higher resolution than seismic data. And vertical units. So seismic data we receive in time domain. These are two-way travel times that we receive from reflected layers below. So we measure everything in times. But with the well-log data, we are able to measure everything in depth domain. So by such way, we are able to transfer time seismic data from time domain to depth domain. So that's it. Right now, we will start. We will start work in OpendTect. So this is the OpendTect software for interpretation of seismic data, 3D seismic data. So and right now, we will start our workflow. So just pay attention right now. We're start working. So initially, if you want to create a new survey, what should you do? You should click here to this rectangle, survey setup, and click here. Also, if you want to create a new seismic survey, you should press here, create new survey. Click. And scan a SegWi file. And you can create any name of the survey, whatever you want. Like, for example, workshop. We are defining the domain of the depth. We will use time domain only. So right now, the program will automatically connect to the root where you had to download all the data. Okay, so from the all the we should right now we should choose the SegWi file. Right now, let us try to choose this seismic data SegWi file. Open. So here we can see that we can see the parameters of the survey. We can see the inline range, cross-line range, and geographical coordinates. So they are already defined here. And we can see the shape of the survey and the values, amount of values. So if we want to check the survey parameters, here we can see the header information. All the information from the survey we are able to receive from here. Well, what kind of these are trace header informations. They collect all the informations regarding the all the survey parameters, like common deep point, like geographical coordinates, or inline number, cross-line number, everything. And also we can see the range of the data everywhere. Also, we can display the traces, display the data while checking it. So we can see different traces, and this is our seismic data. But right now, we will scan the entire file. Press here and scan. By such way, we download all the data. Also, we are able to choose 3D seismic data, or this is 2D seismic data, or this is a 3D pre-stack data, or a 2D pre-stack data. We are able to choose. Uh, so, and in our case, it is a 3D post-stack seismic data. We will choose this option and press OK. So the program already defined the inline range and cross-line range, and Z range means time range. Also, we can see the step, the time interval. It is each 4 milliseconds, and the time values are in milliseconds. And OK. So we created a new survey. Right now, you should do double left click. And the program will ask you, import the SegWi data used for the survey setup now. You say yes. And right now, you don't need to do anything. You just press import. And the program will automatically download the seismic data. So, and after that, your survey is created. Right now, you should use the apparent velocity for actually changing this vertical size of the image. You can scroll it for your convenience and press OK. So you have created your survey. Also, you can press inline, add default data. So this is your seismic data. Okay, for now, please try to do this. And if you face any problems, please inform me. If you face any problem, please inform me and share. I will ask you to share your screen and tell you what to do if you face any problems. So please try to do this workflow. Okay.
Anuja, you can
Hello,
unmute yourself and ask the question.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
sorry, sir.
Yes, Anuja, please share your concern.
Sir, actually, I couldn't open the software. I'm not getting the window as you prescribed. I don't know why. Uh, I'm now logging. I'm now attending a meeting from my phone, and laptop is kept in front of me.
Aha. So Anuja, could you please share your screen?
1 second, sir. Can I just turn on the 1 second, sir? Through phone.
Let us. Okay, opposite one. Yeah, for your laptop.
Sorry, sir, I didn't. Can I turn back the screen and show you? Yes. Sir,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, let us try. Aha. Okay, yeah, everything is fine. Just try to click on the upper icon. Upper icon.
This one or
Yeah, upper
this
one. Yes. Right now, just create your service name.
uh,
Yeah.
survey name.
Create, yeah. Any name, anything you want.
Okay. Okay then.
After that,
If I next.
next.
Okay.
Okay, most probably your program is downloading. The program is trying to find the root.
Okay. Sir. Then yes. A
Yes,
dialog
yes.
box like okay. Then
Yes.
what should I then
Yeah,
see?
press this seismic data. Yes, seismic data.
Okay. Then open.
Open. Yes,
Sir, I
right
got it.
now, okay, now further you understand what to do.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Next, try to find the bottom. Scan the entire input. It is right. It is right upper corner. Scan the entire input.
Sorry.
A little bit lower. Yeah. Yes, this one. Press it.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Then it's
Very good. Okay. So after that, okay.
Okay. Then
Then okay. Okay.
okay.
Next.
Define.
Yeah. Define. Tak. No. Your the program is asking you to define the geographical coordinates. No need. Like cancel. Okay. Nothing to change. Okay. Yes, you created your survey. Now double left click.
But we should click in this.
No. Left window. Left window.
Okay. Then
Double left.
but sorry. Then specify.
Cannot try this project.
With
Okay.
the commercial.
Okay, you can restart.
Then I will try to this.
Okay. Okay, you can cancel.
If I get.
You got it. You got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So just stop sharing the screen. I will show you what to do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you see, right now I'm sharing my screen again. So now, okay, do you see? Anuja, do you see?
Yes, sir. But how to?
Okay, after that, you should view that scale. And you can change apparent velocity.
Yeah. Then okay. What we have to change. The value is 2000 in my dialog box. So we can give okay.
So it is just for a better visualization. And after that, click here and add some inline. Okay. So everything is fine.
Yes, then in inline, we can add and select data or
Yeah, you just you just can left click and add default data. Add default data. Okay. It will
cannot find
automatically.
valid default medium. Uh, that option was.
Okay. So you know what you can do. You can go to survey, import seismic data, CPVS from file. Go through this route.
Okay, okay. Seismic data. Then, okay. Pre-stack
So
2D.
no, seismic data, CPVS from file. Do you see
Okay.
this? Do you see the route?
One more second, sir. Seismic data. Or from file. Okay, okay. Then
Got it.
here, yeah, got it.
Next.
We have to select the seismic data itself, right? From our.
Yeah, exactly.
But here I cannot see the seismic data. Here only two of those data are available, like what I have downloaded before, that well data and for dipsted median.
Yeah, you here you should choose for deep steered median filter because this is CPVS data and open.
Oh, okay.
And import.
Okay.
Do you want to import more cubes? No, close the window.
Oh,
After that, you can do one thing.
okay.
Manage right side, manage seismic data. This one, manage seismic data.
Okay.
After that, 3D seismics.
Okay.
And you see for deep steered median filter.
Yes.
And after that, you see the star. You should press the star.
Okay.
So you set this for deep steered median filter as default.
Okay. Then I have to close it.
Yeah, and close. And right now, in line, left click and add default data. So this will be filtered data.
Okay.
Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Then how can I, one who is a small doubt, like how can I make this black screen complete over here? Like a part of my screen is gray and to the right corner, this screen has come. So,
You do you mean to change the color bar?
can I show it again once more?
Yes, you can. Okay. Stop. I'm
Sir,
stopping.
can you see this?
Oh my
Can
God.
you see?
Oh my God. It's something amazing.
Sorry, sir.
No.
How can I like change it?
Oh,
The screen is appearing like this.
okay. To be honest, it is some kind of okay. So to make the screen full, you can do one thing. You can try one thing. Let me present again. So you can, you see this tree scene one, you can make it
So,
change it. Look. Okay, let me. Okay, but work view. Yeah. Let me try to do this.
Sir,
You should try to go sing and the new. Try to do this. Let us see what happens. Sing new.
Okay. Yeah. It's
And
like,
after that, close the second one. Or you can close the first one and go to the second.
yes.
And
Then
open this
again.
in full. Yes,
Yes,
right
sir.
now you can see the full. You already
Yes,
know
sir.
how to zoom it. Yeah.
Like in view, we have to Z scale it, right? No.
Yes, you should go to the view Z scale and
Z
change
scale.
the size.
Apparent velocity, I have to increase it, right? Please.
Yeah, just for visualization.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then add default data in inline.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Got
Yeah,
it.
so that's it.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Now, Mohan, please share your concern. And please unmute yours.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, my doubt was, sir, I share the screen.
Please share your screen. Okay, I'm stopping presenting.
Sir, this is my problem, sir. Shown the. Sir.
It is fine. It is fine. Go to the upper icon.
What?
Upper
What, sir?
icon.
What I'm this one, sir?
No. Right. Go to the right.
Yes, sir.
In the center. Central icon.
Sir, this one. Sir.
This one. Create new survey. Yes. Press it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Create the name.
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Make a copy of the. Okay. Okay, that's strange. So it since the beginning it's like that.
Sir.
Since the beginning it is like that.
Sir, I did not get your voice correctly, sir.
Since the beginning it is like that. Yeah. Is it
Yes,
like that since the beginning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's something strange. Okay, great. Try again. Okay. Yeah, continue.
Yes, sir. This is 3D data, sir. 2D we did not select, no?
Okay, try. It is 3D data. Try to unselect 2D, but I think
Okay,
it will not help.
Yes, sir. Time domain and next.
Time domain
Next one.
and next.
Can't make a copy of the default service.
Okay. So you may what you can do. You can change the survey data route.
Okay, sir.
For example, users Mohan. Try to do this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this is working, sir.
Doesn't work.
Yes, this is working, sir.
Mhm. So it might take some time, maybe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Now,
then just try.
okay, sir.
Just wait for some time.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, so you can stop sharing your screen. Just try to
Okay,
download.
sir. Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, do you have another queries? Do you have another difficulties? Okay, Mohan Marapo.
Sir. Sir.
Do you have any questions?
Sir, yes, sir. This is, did not open, sir, till now. That's why I am waiting for this one, sir.
If it is not downloading for a short time, try to do it again.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, Sairam Aditya.
So good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, just now right now I will just share the screen. After it. Sir, are you sharing? Have you got my screen?
Yes, right now,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm able to see. Oh, you
Yes.
have done everything.
Sir, I had done everything, but the thing was, after importing the data, the inline was only showing. Just it was very small.
Very small.
And even if I importing this 3D data also, it was showing like this.
Okay, okay. You should click on scene upper right corner.
Okay.
Scene. No, wrong. View.
Okay.
Yeah, Z scale. And scroll it. Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's it. So everything you've
Yeah.
done, everything is fine.
Yes, everything is fine.
So
Hello, sir. Sir.
Hello.
Sir, now I'm get there. Now I'm get the some.
So Saram, okay, please
Yes, sir, it's fine.
unshare
It's
your
fine.
screen.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, this is my. So now I'm get this one, sir.
Very good. So have you did you done the preloading?
Yes, sir. A
Do you see
segue data, sir.
So
Now,
now right upper corner.
where, sir?
Yeah, scan the entire input. No. Lower. This is cube. Yes.
This one, sir.
Yes. Yeah, press it. Yes. And okay. No, skip.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Double click on sample. Right window. Right. Go to no, left. Sorry. Left. Go to left. Yes. Double click. Hello.
Sir, I did not get.
It looks like it was hand on. I do not see any
Yes.
changes on the
Yes,
screen.
sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe some internet connections, connection problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My internet connection is very low, sir. Now I'm in my village. That's why.
Okay, no problem. So did you do double click
Okay,
of the
sir.
same?
Okay, sir.
And
Now
after,
I'm continue on. When I will get,
yeah,
then I will show you, sir.
yeah, definitely. So
Okay,
hold
thank you,
on.
sir.
Please unshare the screen. Okay, so any other questions? Adit Maurya? Okay, Adit Maurya, do you hear me? Or Aman Malhotra?
Yes, sir.
So how are you? How are things going on? How's the work going on?
Sir, I have same problem as Mohan's.
Please share your screen. Let us see. Aman, please share your screen. Aman, do you hear me? Hello?
Sir, I think we can move on to the next person meanwhile.
Sorry, sir, I can't able to share my screen. Just
Okay, no problem. Okay, since the beginning, in the center, upper icon,
yes, sir.
in the middle, upper icon,
That one?
yes, this one.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and create the name. Okay, do you remember the path? Do you remember what to do next?
Just create a name workshop.
Yes.
Then
workshop. Next, okay. After that, choose seismic data.
From where?
In this
Okay.
route, be in this route. You should download in this route.
Just
Yeah.
a workshop folder.
It should be SGY file. SGY file.
There's a SEGY files.
Yeah, SGY file.
Open. And yes, sir. It reads seismics.
Seismics.
Yes.
No. Actually, it should be in a different folder. Go down. Go
Just
down.
open the seismic folder, na?
Yeah. Okay. Go down. Go
No,
down.
man.
It should be a folder raw data. Raw data.
Raw data. Okay, sir.
Raw data.
There's a model, location, surface, will. There's no folders like raw data.
No folder. Okay.
It reads features, geometry, location, surface, will info only.
Okay.
Sir, it looks like that he has not downloaded the data completely. Aman, did you follow the YouTube video?
Yes, sir.
But we have specifically mentioned that you need to extract the seismic data.sgy from raw data onto your C drive, and then users, and then your personal users. It seems you have not done that.
Okay, I do
You
one
will have
second.
to do that first. Yeah.
Okay, so now let us move on. Let us go further. I will try to go all the steps slowly so you can follow it. We will do this, we will do this continuously. And if you have any questions, any queries, so I will answer them in the end. So we have our seismic data downloaded. So by ring of the mouse, we can zoom it. And if you press the ring, the central part, the central ring of your mouse, you can move it like this, differently. Also, if you press escape button of your keyboard, you can move it like this. It means if you see the hand, the palm, it means you can rotate. If you see the arrow, you can move the inlines or cross lines, like here, 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 etc. Also, you can download cross lines, inlines, and Z slices. So this is your seismic data. Again, escape and rotation. Also, you can zoom it like this. By such a way, you can visualize your data. Also, as we already discussed this topic with Anuja, you can download the things. These are survey, import, seismic data, CBVS from file. So we are downloading CBVS files. Okay, let me repeat again. Import seismic data, CBVS from file. And we select the deep stirred medium filter because these are filtrated data. And while well time, we need to use filtrated data. And they are in CBVS format. Open and import. And the program tells you, do you want to import more cubes? You say no. Close the window. Also, you have to download you have to import the horizons. And let us import the horizons. So the path is import horizons ASCII 3D. And you should choose the option single 3D horizon. So, and we will choose them in the folder, in your root folder where you downloaded all the your OpenTect, where all your service host. Well, where you should go to the root where all your surfaces all your surveys are there. You can recognize them while seeing the folder. When you see the logo of OpenTect on the folder. So this is your root. You should go to surface data and download the horizons. Open. And also you can examine the horizons. These are your data, geographical coordinates and time values, X, Y, Z. And you should define the parameters, like X and Y coordinates are first and second column, and the third column are time in milliseconds. Okay. And you should scan the entire input file. Close. And important thing, as you can see that all the horizons, they have name F3 horizon. You see, all the horizons are like this. you should remove this part, F3 horizon, and leave the remain part and import. Also, you can press the display after import and import. And as you can see, by such case, you can download the horizons, seismic horizons, and visualize them. You can click here again to this window and do the same procedures for every horizon. Again, scan, etc. So delete all the parts except the last one. And you can change the color. It is also important to change the color and import. Do you want to import more 3D horizons? Yes. And you should do the same with all the horizons. We will use it next in seismic to well time. It will be important. So you do the same procedures with every horizon. And every time you delete the initial part and change the color of the horizon. So the same repetitive procedure. Remove this part, F3 horizon, and change the color. Random color. Remove. And also one important notice. When you with one particular horizon, these top 4 sets, you should remove F3 horizon. And you see there is this sign. You should remove and create space only. Not like this, not like this, but like this, space. And change the color. So there should be space only here between top 4 sets. So by such way, you can visualize the horizons. Okay, now I'm ready to answer your questions. Do you have any questions?
Sir, can you show again the format definition step?
Formal definitions.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Sohail, please share your screen. Okay. Yes, very good. Did you already scanned the entire input? Here you need to change nothing. Everything is fine. So you just import. You already scanned the file. You already removed this initial part because it is important. Small but important thing. And import. Yes. Yes. Now change the horizon, select, up, up, select, and FS6, open, scan it, yes, close, and remove this F3 horizon part, yes, and change the color, random color, whatever you want, and import. Yes, and now select and go to top 4 sets. Go to top 4 sets and scan it. Yes, and close. Remove F3 horizon top, F3 horizon, and remove it. And between top and 4 sets, just make a space, just space, yes, and change the color. That's it, and import. So do the same procedures with the other horizons.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I can see that you have already downloaded 4 deep steered median filters, so you're doing it. So it is good. So
Okay,
just
thank you.
continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please,
Sir, can you please explain my doubt?
Mohan, okay, please share your screen.
Sir, this one, sir. Sir, from
Okay,
first
again,
on. Yes, sir. Sir, now what
okay,
can I do?
interesting from where? How is it? Yeah, import. You are trying to download from CPVS file.
Yes, sir. See,
But seismic data is not a CPVS file. It is a SegWi file.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do wrong, sir.
Let us try.
Sir,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Okay. Okay. Open in full screen. Make the OpendTect in full screen. Full screen. Yes. And now scene. Upper scene.
Scene, sir. Okay, sir. Scene 1.
Scene new.
Yes, sir.
Yes, scene new. No. It is upper left corner. You see processing, scene, view,
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
scene, and new. Now close the second one. Yes. And open the first one. Open full. Yes. Now view Z scale. And scroll it. Scroll upper. Yes. Scroll it. Yes. You can change the size, the visibility of this of the survey.
Okay, sir. This one is okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Press OK. And press to inline.
Sir, add default data, sir.
Yeah, at default data.
No saved class.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so
Sir,
please,
next process, sir, what is the next process?
next, you should survey.
Yes, sir.
Import, survey import,
Yes, sir.
seismic data, lower, CBVS,
Yes, sir.
from file, yes. Select, no, upper select, upper.
Yes, sir.
Try to find four deep stirred median filter. 4 deep stirred median filter.
Yes, sir.
It is in seismics. Yes, this one. And download it. Okay. Do you remember how to download the horizons? Okay. Anyone has any other queries?
Sir,
Excuse
hello,
me.
sir.
Yes, Anuja.
Sir, I couldn't open Horizons actually. Can you just explain that step again, please?
Open
From
the
import
horizons.
horizons, yeah, import horizons, then ASCII 3D, single 3D horizon.
Yes, it is correct. Correct path.
Then from the selection, how can I do? It's like showing like this.
Like
Then
this. Okay. Then select.
select.
You should find the folder surfaces. Yes.
Okay. Here
Interesting.
only two files are there.
Interesting. It should be. Okay. Go down and try to find. Okay, all files, all type of
Uh,
files. Strange.
in all files, it's not coming.
Anuja, where is your folder? Initial folder from where you copied everything. Where
It's
this F3 Netherlands folder? Where is this?
here. I have downloaded all those.
Yeah, surface data. Yes, this one
Oh, okay,
from
okay,
here.
okay. So I can just open each one, right?
Yeah, open.
Then
Up.
import.
Yeah. No, not import.
Sorry.
First scan input file.
Okay. The formation definition is incomplete. It's short.
Okay. Press examine.
Examine. Okay.
Yeah, it is correct. Everything.
Okay.
Then. Do you see the central window? Close it. Close.
Sorry.
Uh,
This one.
yeah, close. It looks okay. These attributes. Remove these attributes. Yeah, remove this.
Oh,
Yes.
clear list. Okay. Okay.
And try to scan again.
Again, the same option is coming.
Okay. Press OK.
Okay.
Define. Press define.
Okay.
First, second, third. Okay. Yes. It happened because you did not define anything. You should define. Anuja, do you hear me? Hello. Okay, Anuja, something. Anuja, do you hear me?
Yes, sir. So now I can hear you.
Yeah. Now, okay. Press OK. Now,
Okay.
now try scan. Yes, it
Yes, yes,
happened
yes. Got it.
because you did not define. Then
Oh,
okay.
then
After
close
that,
it.
yeah, close it.
Okay. Then import.
After that, no. After that, remove
Sorry,
F3
sorry.
horizon. F3 horizon. Remove this part. Only S6, FS6 leave. F3 horizon part. Remove.
I have to remove this. Is it
Yeah,
like this?
initial part. Yes.
Yeah.
Only FS6 should remain.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
adjust the color and import.
If I can do any colors, okay.
And import. Oh,
Successfully
okay.
import.
Yes. You know what you can do? Yes. Press yes, and go
Yes,
down,
sir.
down to the left. Display after. Display after. Press display after.
Display
No.
distance.
No, on the central window. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I click it then.
And import again. Import again.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes.
Yes. You can not close. Just minimize this central window. Yeah, you can see. You can see. Press escape.
Okay, sorry.
Press escape and left click. Yes, you can
Yeah,
see
I
your.
got it.
This is your
Yes,
horizon.
sir. Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Right now, try to do the same with the other horizons.
Oh, sure, sir.
And
Okay.
do not just remember. Always define the parameters.
Okay.
Scan it
Okay.
and remove the
Okay.
initial part. F3 horizons.
Okay, sir.
After some time, I will explain you why we removed the initial part
Okay,
of
sir.
horizons. Okay, then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, let us
I have a
continue
question.
then. Now,
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Afternoon, sir. Sir, may I present?
yeah, you can present, love.
Sir, is it visible?
No, it's not visible.
So, hold on a minute. I'm just presenting.
Okay, then, are you trying to open right now the screen? Okay, Sairam, you had some question.
So right now, just sharing screen.
Sir,
Oh,
facing some issue.
okay.
I will ask afterwards.
Okay, so just are you able to show the screen? Okay.
Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Okay. Yeah, you are doing it right. Import.
Sir, after this CVE import, what do we have to import or need to select any?
Yeah, you can import and close. Close, nothing else.
Okay.
So also you can do the same. Do one thing. Right side of the screen and manage seismic data. 3D seismic.
Okay.
Yeah, and press for deep steered median filter.
You need to.
Yeah, and you see the star right side.
Yes, sir.
Press the star and close.
Sir, I need to mark it or no need else for this one?
It's okay, no problem. It is already chosen. Just close this window.
Okay.
So, and now press inline and add default data. It is already default.
Add the default data.
Yes.
Sir, I need. Okay.
So this is your deep steered median filter. And do you see 425 below?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. 4 dips in medium filter. Yes, sir.
So that's it. You can press left button or press left left button of your mouse and shift the data.
So I'm not getting.
Very good.
Sir, how we need to import after this step? How we need to import the origins? I didn't get that.
Okay. Now a survey.
Okay.
Import horizons.
Okay.
ASCII 3D. Single 3D horizon. Now select. Go down. It should be surf.
Surface.
Okay. Okay. Where did you? Yeah. You should do the surfaces. No. Go back. Go back. It is different folder. Where did you download
Sir,
the data?
just a hold. Yes.
Yes.
Surface.
Surface data. From where? From here.
Yes, sir.
Select.
Sir, we can select at a time all, or we need to select individually.
We have to select individually.
Okay.
Yeah, open. After that, define central part. Define in the central part of the screen.
Yes, sir, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, define.
Click it. Okay.
Okay. Nothing else. Just okay.
Click to scan.
Scan the scan and move file. Also remove F3 horizon part. Yeah, also this also remove FS6, yes. And import. Okay, yes. Now select.
Okay.
Choose top 4 sets, F3 horizons top 4 sets. Open.
Define.
Scan. No need to define, it is already defined.
Yes. Okay.
Scan. Yes. Now close. Remove F3 horizon only. F3 horizon. This also, yes. And between top and 4 sets, make the space.
Sir.
Yes, and change the color, base color. Yes, brown. And display after import.
Sir, I need to
press yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and display after import. So and import again.
Okay.
Yes, yes, and you can minimize this window. You can see your horizon.
Yes, sir, I got it.
So just do the same procedures with the another horizons.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so everyone has done.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, Love, please. Love Singh, please share your screen.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, it becomes
sir.
visible.
So, sir, I'm stuck here. Should I enlarge it or?
Oh, you have completely different version. Okay, just delete attribute workshop. Delete it.
Okay.
Yes. After that, define. Okay. Defined, scan.
So this dialog box comes up.
I've selected, put the position in the, yeah, I want to change the format definition. Try this, try this option.
Okay, so then it comes back to this.
Yeah. And scan.
Sir,
You can try both options actually. To be honest.
I tried and then this comes error.
Okay, press OK.
Okay.
So try to examine the data. Yes, of course, because you've chosen wrong one.
Okay.
Close it. Yeah. Now it's understandable. Close it.
Yes, sir. Just a second. It's
Select. Yeah, because you've chosen F3 horizon. This BZ2. Don't choose this.
Okay.
Choose another one. Choose another horizons. Yes, this one.
Okay.
Where's the screen? Yes. Now examine. Yes, you see, this is.
Yeah. Yes, sir, I got it.
Now this scan.
Okay.
Now everything is. Now it is fine. Yeah. No.
Okay, sir.
Don't be so fast. Yes. Press yes. Where is your window?
Yes,
now,
sir.
F3 horizon, remove, and now import. Yes. And now, again, open the window. Select top 4 sets. Now scan. Close. And remove F3 horizon. And between top and 4 sets, make the space.
Okay, sir.
Yes. And import. Also, you can
Yes,
what you can do, you can open the window, display after import. You can unload it. You can unpress it. Because actually, if you want to visualize your horizon, you can do this. But if you don't need to do so, you don't need to press. So that's it. Continue to do the same with the all of the horizons.
Yes, sir. Now this one.
Yeah, the same procedures actually.
Okay.
Just
Thank you.
Okay, so shall we move on? Okay, now I'm sharing the screen again. So is it visible? Do you see?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, now we will study how to download well-log data. So for downloading the well-log data, we should go the same: survey, import, seismic data. No, wrong. Wells, ASCII, and track. This is the path. Track, by downloading the track, we define the position of the well, like what is the shape of the well, where is it located, etc. So right now we are defining the shape of the well by doing this. Again, survey, import, wells, ASCII, and track. Now, we will need to define the well track file. We go select, go back, and we should go to well data. Let me find it somewhere here. yeah, all wells raw data, and in your folder it will be well data, like raw data, well log data, well data, and after that all wells raw data. And you should choose the file track and choose the first one, F021. Open. After that, you should examine. So this is your well data. And so these are geographical coordinates and different kind of depth. These are depth values. And close. Again, you should define the format. So X and Y, you should choose column 1 and column 2. And Z TBDSS, you should choose the column 3. And MD, you should choose the column 4. These are both depths. And okay. After that, you after defining the well track file, you have to define the time to depth model for time to depth conversion, because your seismic data in the time domain, you see, because you see there's a time. These are time values in milliseconds, but well log data, they are in a depth in meters. That's why we have to convert them. And for this, we choose the time to depth check shot data. Check shot data, it is something intermediate between well log analysis and seismic data. Like we blast, the source of the seismic waves is on the earth, and the receivers are on the well. So by such way, we can create the time to depth model. So you should choose F02 and 1, time to depth model. This is your check shot data. And let us check the examine the file. As you can see that we have 2 columns. First is representing the time. First is representing the depth, and the second is representing the time. And please pay attention to this small detail. It's important because time is presented not in milliseconds, but in seconds. So what does it mean? If we define the format, first column is your depth, and second column is your time, but it should not be in milliseconds. It should be in seconds, okay? Because we have already observed that our time is in seconds. So from milliseconds, you should press to seconds. And okay. And press, is this check shot data? You should press yes. And after that, import. Also, you can display after import. And yes. And you see, this is your well. And the space coordinates of your well. So you should do the same procedures with the other 3 wells. So first, well track file, and second, check shot data. And do the same procedure with the other wells. So we have downloaded all the well track files, and now we are closing the window. So we have downloaded the wells, the track of the wells. So this is position inside the survey and the shape of the well. So these are 4 wells. Please try to do this, okay? If you have any queries, please raise your hand and ask. Everything is fine?
Hello, sir.
Zero.
So just wait a while. So is it my screen is visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Sir, after defining the Hawley origins.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, you can remove all the horizons. Horizons. Right click. Remove all items from tree.
Okay.
Yeah, it is, or you can just hide them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now survey, import, wells, track. Now select, go back, well data, all wells raw data, open this, open.
So which one I have to need take logs, last file or?
No, just all wells raw data, unpack it.
Achha, okay,
Unpack
okay.
it. Unpack.
Yes, sir.
In this folder only.
Give me a sec.
Those files have not been extracted yet.
Yes, yes, yes.
In such, no, you should extract it because anyhow, because yes,
Yes,
they contain all the information. Now track folder, and first F021 open. Now examine. You can see you can
Yes.
and especially if you work with unknown data that you don't know, always examine, because you can see many things. You can understand what is the content of the data and what to do next. Yes. And close. After that, define.
Okay.
And TB DSS. No need to change. No need to change. Just column 0 change to 3, because it will be on the third column. No need to change. No here 2. This remains the same.
Sorry, need to change the Z?
Yes. Here only 3. Yes, 3. And go back. Medium velocity, medium depth, and go below and change to 4. No.
MD.
Yeah, 4. Yes. Now okay. Because again, examine. You see first 2 columns. These are your X and Y coordinates, and 2 last 3 and 4. They are your depth. Different type of depth. So close it. That's why we press 3 and 4 to define the format. After that, go second one, depth to time model file, select. Back. No, different one. Close it.
Yes, sir.
Lower, select. Depth,
okay. Depth to time model. Yes.
Yes. Now go back. All wells raw data. All wells raw data. Check shot data, and first one. Yes. Open. Now examine. You see, first column is your depth. Yes, in meters. And second column is your time in seconds, not in milliseconds. Seconds. Okay.
Okay.
These are seconds. Close. After that, define. Yes.
Seconds.
Change to seconds. Yes. Okay. Is this check shot data? Yes. And display after import.
So we need to rename it or no need else?
No need to rename. No need. No. you can display after import. Display after import. Go left. No, not right. Left. Down and left. Down and left.
Yes, select.
No, not select. Down and left. Okay. Display after import.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. And import.
Yes.
Minimize it. Minimize. This is your well.
Yes. Got it here.
And do the same procedures with the another well, 3 wells.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Ramkrishna Tiwari, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. I'd like to share my screen, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I'm right here, sir.
Okay. Go back. Survey, import. Wells, ACSI, track, ASCI. Select. No, unpack all wells raw data. Unpack it. Yes, all wells raw data. Unpack. Unpack. Just right click on this and unpack. Yeah. Extract here. Yeah, here only. Go to this folder. Track. And first one, F021. Open. Now, examine. You see, first 2 columns are your X, Y, and Y coordinates, and 2 and 3 and 4 are your depths. So close. Now define, format definition. Define. Yeah, but MD, where it is MD, you should press 4. 4, yes, okay. Now select time to depth model file. Select all wells raw data. All wells raw data. Check shot. Check shot. First one. Yes. Open. Examine. So 2 columns. The first column is your depth in meters, and second column is your time in seconds. Seconds. Okay. Close. Yes. Now define. Change from milliseconds to seconds. Always be careful with this, okay?
Yes,
small detail, but it changes a lot of things, okay? And is this check shot data? Yes.
Yes.
And you can display after import. Yes. And import. Yes. Minimize your screen. So this is your well.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Should I stop now?
Yeah, do the same with others.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please continue your work.
Hello. I had one question. When
Yes.
we were supposed to import the Horizon files, did you mention to change the time units to seconds from milliseconds, or does that only like is that only applicable to the well data files?
Actually, for this, that's why we are doing examining, because how does it look like? If it is 1,000 numbers, most probably it is in milliseconds. If it is just single numbers like 3 points, this, etc., it means that most probably it is in seconds. That's why you have to, before downloading, you have to examine your files. By examining, you will understand what are you will have an idea what kind of units are there, and according to this you can change.
Okay.
In our case, it is applicable only to checkshot data.
Okay.
So these are small but important details.
Okay.
So guys, how's the progress going on? Do you have any questions? Okay, guys, how was your progress? So shall we move then? So okay, let us continue then. So we have our wells, 4 wells. Oh, okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, am I visible? Do you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
So let us continue. So as you can see, we have our 4 wells. Now it is time for us to download well logs. So basically the curves of the different parameters like density logs, gamma ray logs, sonic logs, etc. These are just locations of the wells in the surface. So in the space. Now let us download the logs, the log files themselves. We will download the values of physical parameters. We will let us dress these 4 wells. So how we will do this? So survey, import, seismic data, wells, ASCII, and logs. So this is our path. Survey, import, wells, ASCII, logs, and go. Now, what we can choose? Again, go back to all wells raw data, well log data. And right now, we will choose the folder last files. And choose the first one, F021, last file. The depth values are in MD. This is the depth. And also name a log after curve. We want to have it in the curve mode. And add to well. We can choose any well. Let us examine things. These are our data. Different kind of well logs, different kind of physical data in logs. And import. Do you want to import more? Yes. After that, select third one and add to well third F032 import. And do the same procedures with the other wells. For F034 and F061 and import. After that, close, and you can press the any log, any random log, F021, display properties. Any log, for example, F021, display properties. After that, left log, select, for example, acoustic impedance, time to depth. It is, I think these are sonic logs. These are gamma ray logs. This is HOB. These are density logs. Let us choose, for example, sonic logs. You see, it becomes visible here. These are your well log data. And for example, right log, you can choose density. It is here. And you can apply the same thing for all the wells. So by such way, the way you can visualize the data, your sonic data, your density log, your gamma ray log, you can choose anything. So that's the thing. And while closing, you can save. So please try to do this.
How many logs do we need to select?
We have to select, there are only 4 logs here in this survey. So, any doubts?
Sir, do we need to apply all the law?
Sorry, Sohail, come.
Sir, at first we applied the AI log acoustic impedance law.
It doesn't matter. Actually, it is just up to you. It's just for visualization purpose.
So, sir, now we have to add more law.
Yeah. Okay. Sohail, you can share your screen. Let us see. Yeah, actually, it is just for visualization. Just you will be able to see what kind of log is there. Yeah, this is acoustic impedance. These are gamma ray. Like you can choose whatever you want, just for visualization.
Okay, sir.
And you can apply current to all wells. So that's it. Like you've done it.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Sairam, please.
Sorry, is it my screen is visible?
Yeah, it is very good. Yeah, I could see.
No, sorry.
Yeah, everything is perfect.
Sir, the thing was, how can we to analyze these wells to see after the visualization to see the
Uh, no. Right now, it is not our purpose. Right now, we just have to download these graphics, these curves. That's the thing. It is just for a visualization purpose, so you can see what you are downloading actually.
Sir, while uploading the data, last file in the petrol is automatically will give the data
So
in petrol.
okay,
You
to
won't
be
get
honest,
like that in OpenTect.
okay, maybe you know better because to be honest, I do not have any experience in working with petrol. So I think you can tell me better what is the difference between OpenTect and petrol.
Sir,
So
actually
maybe you.
both are the interpretation softwares. But comparing to the petrol, in OpenTect we have the very less options. In petrol we can do as a reservoir analysis, everything we will get it. It's a wide platform. I was observing the OpenTect is not that much.
Okay, maybe actually it is just beginning of the possibilities. These are only free. This is a free version of the program, so there are more advanced options like deep stirred median filter or attribute analysis, or also time to depth conversion. Also velocity model building from pre-stack data. So actually in pro version there of OpenTect there are much more possibilities. About Petrel, I cannot say anything. Okay, maybe you can say, you can compare.
Okay.
Actually, you can try to study OpenTect more, also more advanced version, and after that you can say what is your experience, comparison, etc. By the way, actually, there is a link between OpenTect and Petrel.
Yes, sir. I observed that. Yeah.
So you can
There is a
transfer
connector
data.
between open. Yes. I observed that.
Yeah. So once you have free time, you can
Sure,
check all of them.
I will correlate with that once. Yeah.
You can try many options,
Yes, sir.
many softwares.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So guys, have you done this task? So right now, I think the time is already over. It is already 1 p.m., 1 o'clock. So I think rest of the things we can do tomorrow from 11 a.m. Also, what we have to do in the future, we have to download the marker files. Marker files means horizons in wells. So by doing well log analysis, it is possible to mark the horizons. And we can, after that, we will be able to be able to compare horizons marked by seismic data, and also markers means horizons marked by well log data. And we can compare, we can tie them, and correct our well log analysis. So I think we can do it tomorrow. Also, tomorrow we will do the actual seismic to well tie. Basically, all these things that we did today, it was just preparation for seismic to well tie, because you need to study how to download the data, how to download it correctly, because it requires many components. For seismic to well tie, basically we collect two type of data, two type of well logs: sonic log and density log. First, it is velocity. After that, and second is density. And from this, we can create this synthetic seismogram. And this synthetic synthetic seismic data we can compare with the real seismic data. And by such way, we can do the seismic to well time. Also, I think if we tomorrow, if we have time, we will study how to track the horizons automatically as well as manually. Also, we will study how to track the faults, also singular faults or fault sticks, and how to join them. Also, if we have time, we might study how to do the time to depth conversion through velocity models. Of course, if we have time. So thank you so much for your attention. I think for today is enough. For today is over. You've done well. You have. I could see that you tried to do your best. You worked hard. So thank you for your effort, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Pavel sir, for being so patient with everyone. You explained every bit of the details very well, and you were very patient enough to allow the participants to share their screen and ask their doubts. Thank you so much for your time and efforts. As you said, we have almost reached the end of today's workshop, and all of us will join tomorrow, hopefully. Meanwhile, I would request the participants to fill in their Google Forms, fill the Google form to mark your attendance. I've shared it in the chats. Please fill it properly. Based on your response, we'll be sharing the certificates to you. So thanks everyone for joining, and special thanks to Pavel sir once again.
Okay. You're welcome, and thank you for your patience and for your attention.
Thank you so much, sir.